Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your GPU and drivers so features behave predictably. Install GeForce Experience and sign in. This unlocks the overlay. Once signed in, enable the in-game overlay and assign a hotkey. Alt+Z is the default, so you can capture instantly. Make sure your desktop and games are updated because outdated drivers break clipping. While you do this, open the overlay once to verify settings. That first test prevents wasted time later and gets you ready to record. Now you configure how clips are captured and saved so they match your needs. Open highlights or instant replay in the overlay and pick a duration. 15 seconds works for quick moments, longer for extended plays, then select quality. Performance sacrifices fidelity for lower CPU usage. High prioritizes detail. Next, choose the storage drive with at least 10% free space and set file format and bitrate. Higher bitrate equals larger files. Once done, run a short capture to confirm clip length and playback integrity. You finish by practicing capture and then reviewing footage so you trust the workflow. Use manual recording for planned takes, instant replay for sudden highlights. Test both to see how they affect performance. After capturing, open the gallery to review, trim, or export clips to your editor. If clips fail or quality is poor, update drivers, toggle the overlay off and on, and verify Windows privacy settings allow screen capture. If problems persist, restart the PC and retest. That often resolves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.